kidney, and an eye? What's this?
Devin, these are the organs that you have infected, but don't worry, at 18 they will be cured.
Hey,
What organ do you have infected?
Kidney and eye. What about you?
I got a heart disease. My mom says I'm sick, but I feel fine. Students, your main goal is to always be healthy, exercise, and eat well.
And if we've infected organs?
Then be silent. Any infected organs can be cured by a healthy lifestyle. Once you turn 18, you're allowed to be cured. Yes, let's go. I can't wait.
Low-key feels like we're already healthy.
Devin, I turn 18 tomorrow. I'll be cured.
Finally, you'll have a healthy heart. Mom, where's my brother? He was supposed to be cured today.
Well, they moved him. He urgently had to be in a different city.
Frank, there's something wrong. I don't believe they want to cure us.
What do you mean? Hey, you, come over here.
Me?
Yes, you. Go to the medical center.
Hey, did you call me?
You ask too many questions. Don't you trust us?
Yeah, I trust you.
Great. Tomorrow we'll cure you.
Mom, I got some news. Tomorrow they said I'll be cured.
What? But you're not 18 yet. Great. Now we'll choose the organ that will be cured first. Put your hand to the sensor.
Organs to be removed are selected.